And so springtime, again, another opportunity to go back into the kitchen and build on that excitement. How can we bring that excitement that we're feeling outdoors into our kitchen? So it's a great time to restock, and let's look at some things that we can add to our kitchen, because in the springtime, our foods tend to be a little bit lighter, right? It's a season, again, of renewal. And so great time to buy some fresh herbs. It's also a great time to, someone mentioned gardening, to start a window garden maybe. I know a lot of us live in small spaces, but regardless of the size of your space, there's always, as long as you have some sunlight coming in from some window, it's a perfect opportunity to begin a little container garden where you're growing, 2 to 3 herbs for your salads or your soups or even your shakes. So what we have here, what I'm sharing with you is dandelion. Yeah, someone said they love making dandelion tea. Dandelion is a great cleanser. It's a great bitter herb, and we need that bitter in our lives. Many of us are only used to really tasting salty or very sweet things, and we often miss out on getting those bitters on our taste buds, but we do need to incorporate some of those bitters, and dandelion is one of my favorites. We also have mint, so think fresh mint salad, think dropping a couple of mint leaves into your water to freshen things up, think just chewing on a piece of mint to freshen up your breath, wake up your taste buds. Then we have reishi mushroom. This is my adaptogen that I'm sharing with you for the spring. Reishi is great. Again, adaptogens help your body to deal with the stress, environmental stress, emotional stress, all of that. It just kind of keeps you even keel. So you can drink some reishi tea. You can add it to your stock, to your soup, things like that. Not a mushroom. Think about the mushrooms that you buy in most grocery stores where you can chew it and swallow. That is not reishi. It is not one that you can digest. And then we have stinging nettle. Now, stinging nettle shows up in the springtime, and stinging nettle is great for teas. Again, make soups with them. I love making stinging nettle pesto sauce. Great way, again, think about creative ways in which you can just try something new. And then finally, we have turmeric. I think most people have heard of turmeric. I grow lemon leaves for freshness. Absolutely. So I'm loving the comments that you're making. Please continue to do so. So turmeric, again, has been shown for its ability to help us deal with inflammation in our body. So one of the recipes I'm going to share with you is turmeric tea. Very simple tea to prepare, needing only a few ingredients: hot water, a little bit of lemon juice, some ground turmeric. So if you have that spice in your cupboard, you can prepare this. A little bit of black pepper to activate the curcumin in the turmeric, and a little bit of raw honey to sweeten it. So preparing this, as an afternoon cup of tea or an evening cup of tea, again, a great way to begin to make sure that you are getting these into your body every single day.